And now I am so honored to be joined with Dr. Katerina Gallus from Restore Plastic Surgery. How are you?
I'm good, Cindy. How are you?
I'm so good. So I'm so excited to announce Kat as a regular and an expert on our show. So she'll be making regular appearances on the live show as well as our TV show. She's a board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery and has over a decade of experience in cosmetic breast and body surgery, facial rejuvenation, and breast reconstruction. Her opinions are nationally respected, and she's a requested expert for meetings, panels, and journal articles. So we are really honored to have you.
Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
So excited. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about some of the things that are happening in the industry, but I wanted to start with a little bit on your background and how you kind of got involved in where you are now.
Okay. I started out in the Navy, actually. I was a scholarship recipient in college and then for medical school. And so after I did medical school, I spent my time at the Navy Hospital in San Diego at Balboa, where I did general surgery residency, and then I went on to do plastic surgery residency. And then I came back in the Navy as a plastic surgeon, where I served there starting in 2006.
Wow, and then you also do transitional year residency, right? You were the program director, so you trained like 100 young Navy physicians, which is so amazing. We love that. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what's going on in your sort of segment, because you are breast enhancement specialist, so you see a lot of things happening. So let's talk a little bit about that. What does that mean, and what's kind of happening in that arena?
Okay, so breast enhancement can mean all sorts of things, from breast reduction, so making the breast smaller, breast enlargement, breast augmentation, which I think is what most people think of when they think of plastic surgery. And then things like lifting the breast or addressing things that people are born with or develop, like asymmetry. And then now recently is the increased demand for women who are removing their breast implants for a variety of reasons.
That's what I was going to ask you about. So a lot of people are getting them removed, and you're very much an expert on that.
Yes, I've been removing and exchanging and revising breast implants for over a decade, and so familiar with what needs to be done for these patients.
Okay.
It has been done in the past and can be done for these patients now. The techniques are similar to the techniques that we develop in reconstructive surgery and aggressive cancer reconstruction surgery.
Okay.
So,
well, and you guys have a promotion until November 30th, which is En Bloc Breast Implant Removal Special.
Yes, we do. Yes.
So it's a good time, I guess, if you have a consultation, you want to kind of come in and get more information on that.
Yes, and so this is such a hot topic. I think it's very important that patients are informed about all of their options, and I'm happy to cover all the options, the spectrums, what fits best for that patient. And yes, our special currently includes surgeon's fees and anesthesia and facility fee.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, go see her. This is great. And then I want to kind of talk about your place, about Restore, and what your clients can expect, the experience, and what you have there.
Sure. Our office is off of Nobel Drive in the UTC area. It's a beautiful office. It's spacious and calming. We went with a kind of teal green color palette, and we offer full esthetician services and laser services. And so the idea is to make you feel not that you're going to a medical office, but that you're going somewhere to restore yourself, rejuvenate.
Well, and I love it because you're like a concierge. It's like a concierge experience. It's very positive in there.
Yes.
So I love that you do that. And then you guys have your own line of skincare, which is great too.
Yes. Yes, we love skincare. Both of the office staff, Brenda and Aaron, are both licensed estheticians, and we love to talk about skincare and rate skincare and figure out what works for each individual. Each of the three of us use different skincare regimens, and it just really, we like to make sure that patient care is individualized to the patient, and that's from everything from skincare and makeup to surgery.
That's so great. Okay, so let's talk about looking fresh for the holidays, because this is what everybody wants to look, right? Fresh for the holidays. So you guys have an event-ready package, which is also included in your November specials on the website. Let's talk about what you're doing.
Okay, so it has the three most popular things people think about when they have an event. Botox, so a neuromodulator to kind of erase any little wrinkles or creases. And then a filler, so if you want to have plump lips for the holidays, or maybe you want to erase a little fine, line around your mouth, that's an excellent option to use a syringe of filler. And then using the dermal infusion for a facial. And so this machine does three things. It hydrates, it exfoliates, and it extracts all at the same time. And then what it's hydrating with is the serum of your choice. So we have a vitamin C serum, we have a clarifying serum. I personally love the clarifying serum because nothing's better than getting all the makeup and junk off after a couple parties. And and then having a fresh face to move forward.
Well, and I'm going to do this on camera.
Yes.
I'm so excited. So we'll get to take you inside. That's so fun. Everybody needs a little zhishing before the holidays. So you can find all of that at restoresdplasticsurgery.com. So tell people, what's the best way to come in with you? I mean, and what's the next step if they want to work with you?
So again, we like to make sure our patients are informed. So I recommend that you explore the website a little bit. It's at RestoreSD, as in San Diego Plastic Surgery, and get online and take a look at all the options we have for you in both skincare and for surgery and for laser. And then call, and we offer complimentary consultations, and I'd be happy to meet with you and discuss what your goals are and come up with a plan.
Well, and she's solo female run practice, which we absolutely love. So could you give us just a little piece of advice for the females out there that are entrepreneurs, how to take it to the next level, or something maybe you did with your business?
I think it's being confident and knowing your skills. And I think women often have imposter syndrome and are afraid that they can't do it, but know that you can, and don't second guess yourself.
I love that. Well, good. We're so excited to have you. I can't wait to have you as a regular. So if you guys have questions for Kat, let us know. We'll get that information. We would love to find out what you want to know about in this arena. I think it's really important, and she's such a great resource. So we're so excited to have you as a partner.
Thank you.
Yay, you guys. Okay, so we'll have everything on the website. It's restoresdplasticsurgery.com. Go see Dr. Katerina Gallus. We're going to take a quick commercial break. We're going to show you a little commercial from Kat. And when we come back, we have Ernie from Wonderfront Festival. Thank you so much.
Yes, happy Friday, everybody.
Happy Friday.